How to pass the MLT ASCP exam is not about luck. It's about a clear, repeatable system that takes you from nervous candidate to confident certified professional. Today, I'll give you that exact system, step by step, so you can walk into the Pearson VUE Test Center knowing you're ready to pass on the first try. Most people think the MLT ASCP exam is just another multiple choice test. That's wrong. It's a computer adaptive exam that adjusts in real time to your performance. Start strong and the questions get tougher. Struggle early and you'll feel like you're drowning. But with the plan I'm about to share, that adaptive engine actually works in your favor. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to pass the MLT ASCP exam. We'll cover the habits that sharpen your memory, the study methods that lock information into long-term recall, and the proven practice routine that tells you when you're truly exam ready. This channel exists for lab professionals chasing ASCP success, and MLC Academy has helped thousands earn their credentials worldwide. If you want the most trusted blueprint, stay with me until the end. Step 1. Build a healthy lifestyle foundation. Passing begins long before you open a book. Your brain can't store complex microbiology or hematology concepts if you treat your body like an afterthought. Sleep is your first weapon. Aim to be in bed by 10 or 11 p.m. and sleep in a dark room. Darkness lets your body produce melatonin, the hormone that repairs cells and cements memories. Miss that window and your energy, focus, and memory suffer. Food is your next edge. Cut refined white sugar. It creates brain fog, exactly what you don't need when mastering hundreds of lab procedures. Instead, fuel your mind with proven brain boosters: eggs for choline, broccoli for antioxidants, fatty fish like salmon for omega-3s, dark chocolate for flavonoids, and a touch of caffeine. Stay hydrated and eat whole foods that keep blood sugar stable. You'll notice sharper recall within weeks. Step 2. Boost brain memory. Daily healthy habits create the foundation, but you still need active memory training. Start each day with hydration and a quick mental warm-up. Even 5 minutes of reviewing flashcards tells your brain it's time to learn. Use spaced repetition. Revisit information at increasing intervals, 1 day later, 3 days later, a week later. This method builds long-term retention better than marathon cramming. Many candidates also talk to their doctor about B12 or omega-3 supplements. If your levels are low, they can improve focus and cognition. Step 3. Create a focused study plan. Random study equals random results. Write out a plan that answers 3 questions: when, how long, and how to study. When? If you can take vacation time, great. If not, study early in the day before work when your brain is clear. How long? Longer sessions beat short bursts. For focused hours, once beats 2 hours over 2 separate days because you can connect concepts and notice patterns. How to study? Use pen and paper. Reading alone is like sprinkling seeds. Writing is like planting them. Summarize each topic in your own words, draw diagrams, and solve practice problems by hand. That physical action imprints information deeper into memory. Step 4. Master the MLC Academy study method. Thousands of successful candidates follow the same sequence. First, study each subject thoroughly with pen and paper. Second, immediately reinforce with practice questions. MLC Academy's QBank is built for this, and every word of their PDF study guide counts. Never skim. Treat each sentence as exam-worthy. Track your progress. Don't just guess, use the QBank's reporting module. When you consistently score 85% or higher across all sections, you're ready. That number matters. It's the benchmark that tells you the adaptive exam can throw anything at you and you'll handle it. Step 5. Schedule the exam at the right time. Never book the exam until you're truly ready. ASCP Board of Certification applications can take up to 45 days for approval, so build that into your timeline. When you're hitting 85% or better on all QBank subjects, submit your application and wait for the email from Pearson VUE to schedule. Visit the test center a few days beforehand. Know the traffic pattern, the parking situation, and the exact room you'll use. On exam day, you don't want surprises stealing mental energy. Step 6. Prime yourself for exam day the night before. Sleep well. Book the earliest slot you can. Many candidates choose between 9 and 11 a.m., so your mind is sharp and distractions are minimal. Eat a balanced breakfast with protein and complex carbs. Stay hydrated but not overloaded. Dress in layers so room temperature isn't an issue. Bring the required identification exactly as stated in your confirmation email. During the exam, pace yourself. Remember, it's computer adaptive. Answer carefully, stay calm, and trust your preparation. You may see a few questions that feel out of the syllabus. That's normal. The ASCP includes unscored pilot questions to test future content. Don't panic. Focus on the rest. Common mistakes to avoid: many candidates underestimate the exam and treat it like a simple review of lab basics. It isn't. The MLT ASCP exam measures theoretical knowledge built on practical experience. Others cram the final week, sacrificing sleep for more study hours. That backfires. Your brain consolidates information during deep sleep, cut sleep, and recall drops. Some book their test date too early, hoping a deadline will force discipline. But without hitting that 85% practice mark, they walk in unprepared. Trust Building Resource Drop. Thousands of lab professionals worldwide have used MLC Academy's expert-led prep to pass on the first attempt. Live classes, video lessons, a concise study guide, and multi-level QBanks give you every tool in one place. It's comprehensive, but to the point: no fluff, no wasted time. When every question counts, that precision matters. Recap and next steps. So let's recap how to pass the MLT ASCP exam. First, build a healthy lifestyle. Sleep early, eat brain-boosting foods, and avoid refined sugar. Second, actively strengthen memory with daily review and spaced repetition. Third, create a written study plan with long sessions and pen and paper note-taking. Fourth, master content using the MLC Academy study guide and QBank until you hit that 85% threshold. Fifth, schedule the exam only when ready and visit the Pearson VUE Center in advance. Finally, prime yourself for exam day with rest, balanced meals, and calm focus. Follow these steps and you won't just take the exam, you'll own it. For a complete library of ASCP prep resources, explore the MLC Academy platform at dash.mlsiacademy.com and see how thousands of lab professionals built their success. In our next video, we'll dive into how to prepare for the ASCP MLT exam in even more detail, so subscribe now or check the channel for that breakdown. Commit to the plan, trust your training, and walk into the test center confident. That's how you pass the MLT ASCP exam.